These successful test flights are testament to Australian ingenuity. We demonstrated a range of key characteristics, including the first time the landing gear was raised and engaged. A second aircraft also successfully completed its first flight mission.
We are working with more than 35 Australian suppliers and partners to accelerate the program rapidly.
A key element of our centenary is looking forward to the next 100 years, where we will continue to build integrated systems to assist the Joint Force.
Air Force's commitment to growing our base of uncrewed aircraft will allow us to maintain a capability edge in a rapidly changing air combat environment. The Loyal Wingman opens up significant capability agility for Air Force, particularly with the features such as the reconfigurable nose. We're heavily engaged in the payload development and the element of surprise that it gives us in the battle space. You never really know what's in the nose.